Good humans, welcome to the ride. I know what you're thinking. Al, what are you doing up there? Honestly, trying not to fall. Really, honestly, trying not to fall. But for real, okay. So, we're filming in a super secret place. I'm taking you to a secret location nobody knows about, okay? So what this means is you guys absolutely cannot tell anybody whatsoever. None. You're sworn to secrecy. And then after we do that, we're going to dialysis. So, we only got a little bit of time. Let's do it.
Never get caught, yeah. Never get caught. Never get caught, yeah. Never get caught on video. Never get caught, yeah. Never get caught. Never get caught, yeah. Never get caught on video. Never get caught, yeah. Never get caught. Never get caught, yeah. Never get caught on video. Never get caught, yeah. Never get caught. Looks like a lot of suckers gotta learn the hard way. Gotta. Looks like a lot of suckers gotta learn the hard way. Gotta. Looks like a lot of suckers gotta learn the hard way. Gotta.
All right, here we go. I'm telling you, this is absolutely nuts. I've been waiting for this weather to get like this for about a week. We can have bike people. Nice mountain bike. Howdy. Oh, we meet again. Yes, second time we meet again. Say hi to the viewers.
The who?
The viewers. This is my YouTube people. Yeah, let's wave at them.
Hey.
Told you, this is the spot. This is where we come ride bikes at.
Yep.
Tell them, absolutely beautiful.
It is.
This is where it's at.
Yep. Cool breeze, water on each side.
Yes, sir.
All right, catch you.
Have a safe one, brother. That guy is fishing. Is that not the coolest thing you've ever seen or what? I'm wondering if he walked out there. How about that? All right. I know what you're thinking. You're wondering, Al, what in the heck are you doing up there? I couldn't resist it. It's such a beautiful shot from right here. I couldn't help it. I had to come get it. I was like, oh my God, I got to get up there and get that shot. Can you see this? This right here. Is that not crazy or what? Oh man, that is beautiful. Anyway, come on. There's something else I want to show you. Welcome to the ride, guys. We made it to our super secret location. And as you can see, we dropped in and we're moving pretty good. So the reason why I told you I couldn't tell you where this was at is because I am sworn to secrecy. And I am one to not break my promises. So there are a few things that I want to show you. And as you can see, it is absolutely perfect. Beautiful day to go bike riding. And, oh, look at that. Wow, look at that. Is that a foul? Man, absolutely perfect back here. Mother Nature is showing her butt today, isn't she? Okay. So, today's episode, we're going to do something a little different. I actually wanted to take you to one of my spots where I'm known for hanging out at. Come on with me. Let me show you something. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. You're probably wondering, Al, where are you at? The thing about this is one of my special hideaways. I've never done any filming over here before because this is an area where it's really hard to get to. But when you get here, the wildlife out here is absolutely ridiculous. When I tell you it is breathtaking, I'm literally gonna move out of the way so you can see this. Just listen to that. Now, minus the little construction that I hear going on downriver, it's absolutely quiet. It's bananas how awesome it is out here. Like, it's just perfect, especially if you are one with nature. And if you know me, you know I don't kid about that kind of thing. Okay, so we're cruising towards the clubhouse, and well, you can kind of see for yourself. It's absolutely perfect. Man, I can't wait to show you. The clubhouse is just flipping bananas. Like some of the stuff you see up there, look at that turtle right there. You see him? Oh, he went in the water. Dang it. He must have seen me. Wow. This is just perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. The wetlands. Might even catch a croc in here. Come on, let me show you the clubhouse. You know you done came up when you got a backyard look like that. Look at the patio. That is nuts. And that's on the path. Here we go. Let's drop on in. Ew, boy. Is this not gorgeous? Oh, what? Yeah. We made it to the clubhouse. Is this not cool? Oh man, this is absolutely perfect. Okay, we made it to the clubhouse, and I actually want to show you some of the wetlands. We're gonna go that way. So come on, let me show you. Often you can kind of stop and view some of the wildlife. Look at that turtle out there sunbathing. Here, let me stop. I don't know if you can see him. See if I can zoom in on him. Right there. Look at that turtle sunbathing. Wow. Absolutely perfect out here. And the trail is endless. There's part of it so far. The trail is endless. Like, I'm telling you, this is like the absolute perfect shot. This is the perfect place to be if you're an outdoorsy guy like me. man, oh man, oh man. Whoo. Whoo wee. Sheesh. What a ride. Did y'all have fun riding with me today? Yeah, it got hot. I don't mind losing a little water weight and sweating. That's what mountain bikers do. Well, we had a good time. I'm glad I got to show you some of my secret hideaways. This is not the only one I do. I got 100 more I want to show you. I can't tell you because I'm sworn to secrecy. I promised I wouldn't tell. Scouts honor. And Boy Scouts don't lie. Eagle Scouts don't lie. So, man, we did approximately 12.3 miles. And it wasn't bad. We had a grade of, it said 237 feet, if I remember it right. And let me tell you, what a beautiful, beautiful ride today. I liked some of the scenery we've seen. And that just goes back to show you, you know, what I always tell everybody. You know, there are no limitations on who you are as a person or what you can do. Because there is so much to be seen that you should not limit yourself based off of what a doctor tells you can or can't do. You know, this never gets any easier or better. But yeah, that never gets any easier. I struggle to put my bike in the back of the truck. But we had a good day. Now it's time for dialysis and we got to get ready to go. But remember, as I always tell you guys, do not let your physical limitations be what hinders you from seeing such beauty like this. Just because you have a disability does not mean you have a hindrance. You can do anything you want to do. Don't let anybody tell you any different. That comes from the heart. I mean that. I'm in a whole lot of pain right now, but I feel good. I got to see some of the most incredible scenage I've ever seen in my days. Now it's time to go to dialysis. Thanks for riding with me today, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.